In today's video, we're going to be talking about Jumptask.io and how to use it to basically earn some dollars. Now, it's one of those websites that lets you complete some tasks and you get paid for completing those tasks. So you see stuff like this. When you complete a task, you get points. Some of the points are ridiculous, really small. This is less than even 50 cents, not up to $1. Some are basically you just, playing or watching a YouTube video and you get some money for it. Some have more payment, like this one. It says if you install this app, you get $4 for installing the app. So stuff like that. So you're basically completing a couple of tasks. Now, you've probably heard of platforms like this before and you're wondering, like, do these things even pay? Well, some actually do pay, but it's just that the pay is shitty. The pay is ridiculous. So you can't really rely on this as a 9 to 5, as a job. And just for proof, I want to show you my wallet. I'm going to click on earnings right up here. As you can see, I have 3.24 points right now. So this is what my account looks like. As you can see, in April 19th, I withdrew 3 points. So on average, your 3 points is like $2, right? So you get like $2 ish. I got this one, it was about $4. If we go all the way back, you see I also earned in March, in February, and on and on. I've been using them for like 3 or 4 years now. So I've made some pretty decent amount of money from the platform. But you're probably wondering, so Magnus, are you doing all the tasks that are on the homepage and getting the money? Well, not really. I've only done one of these tasks before and I did, get paid for it. But one of the ways you can actually make money without completing any task is to use a platform called Honeygain. This one. So when you click on the top here, they have Honeygain. So Honeygain, this is my payment from Honeygain, $270 over time. Honeygain is a website that basically allows people to share their internet and make money. So if you go on the Honeygain website, don't worry, they are all connected. I will explain. If you go on the Honeygain website, you'll see what it looks like. So this website lets you share your internet and get paid. You download it on your computer or on your phone, and maybe like a spare phone you're not using, right? And then it will use the internet there to basically share your unused traffic in a sense. So I already have a Honeygain account, and on Jumptask has a feature that connects to Honeygain. So over time, as you can see, this is my point. So you can receive your points in this Jumptask wallet, or you can receive it in your Honeygain wallet. So I received my points in Jumptask. So let's go back to Jumptask. So this is my Jumptask account. As you can see, Jumptask lets you complete some tasks so you can get paid. Honeygain lets you share your internet so you can get paid. But now Honeygain has a feature that lets you connect your Jumptask wallet. If you connect your Jumptask wallet, you will pretty much all your points will go from here. This point will go from here to Jumptask, to your Jumptask account. And that is what is happening now. I'm not doing anything. I literally just connected my Honeygain account to my Jumptask, and that's it. And how do I make money from Honeygain? By just sharing my internet, and then I'm getting points. So again, I've been using this for a very long time. In the previous years, I've made a video about Honeygain. I am Magnus. I've made a video about it. This was 4 years ago. How to earn money by sharing your internet connection. So you see here, there are also other platforms I've made videos about that actually paid me. So it's not like I'm making this up. So the purpose of this video is to explain Jumptask, which I have, and then I want to show you how to withdraw your money. So the best way to withdraw your money is still the crypto withdrawal option. So what I'll advise you to do is, on your browser, try and download MetaMask or any wallet, all these crypto wallets. Try and download either MetaMask wallet, or like a Solana wallet or something. So when you're withdrawing your money, it will basically ask you where you want to withdraw it to. So right now I have my MetaMask connected to it. I have the extension right up here. I'm not clicking on it because I don't want to reveal some sensitive information. But when you're setting up your payout, when you're trying to withdraw, again, come here to this page, then click on payout. When you click on payout, you need to link your crypto wallet to it. I think they have other withdrawal options that you can use to withdraw your money, but what I linked to it is my MetaMask wallet. So download MetaMask, on your phone or on your computer. Let me show you MetaMask. So this is MetaMask, the crypto wallet. Download MetaMask. If you download MetaMask, create your own crypto wallet with it. It could be your BSC, your Solana wallet, and co. Once you have that all set up, you connect it to your Honeygain. You connect it to your Jumptask, and you just start receiving your money to your MetaMask wallet. Again, I am not making this up. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a withdrawal process. We're going to do a quick withdrawal real quick. So let's go to my MetaMask. So this is my MetaMask wallet. I have $6 here. In the past, I have like 3 JMPT that I sent here, $2. Now what we are going to do, and take note of my balance, is $6.73, right? What we're going to do is we're going to go to Jumptask, not Honeygain, Jumptask, and we are going to withdraw this small $2 you see here. So that's what we're about to do. Again, take note of the amount you see here. This is 6.73. I want to withdraw this $2 from here. So the balance on MetaMask should increase if I do so. So I'm going to click on payout. And the recommended option here is BSC, which is the Bitcoin chain basically. So I'm going to select that, and there is a fee, a tiny fee, a transaction fee, which is known as gas fee in the crypto space. Click on payout. Now it says transfer in progress. So let's refresh and see if it has processed. I think it's still in progress. Okay, it says pending. This is it on today's date. Now let's go back to MetaMask. 6.73. Let's refresh. I don't think it has arrived yet. Oh, it has. See, 8.73. See, it just went up. So now I have $4 of Jump token. So again, this thing is not going to make you a millionaire, but from time to time you can just be moving small crypto here, and you can use it later for a bunch of stuff. I'm usually not paying a lot of attention to these things because they don't make me a lot of money, but it's just one of the ways to make some quick some quick change on the side. This has not updated. So again, Jump tasks let you complete some task and then pays you for it. Honeygain is a platform that lets you share your internet and get paid. So that's what I've been doing basically. I just have a phone that I'm using to share my internet, and every now and then I'm just getting these points that are automatically transferred to my Jumptask wallet, and there is no rocket science. Setting these things up is super easy. So that's what Jumptask is. That's how you withdraw your money from Jumptask. And I hope this video helps. Don't forget, you can use my link to register on any of these platforms.